Mi amo Layla.
Mi amo Simone.
Me llamo Elizabeth.
And today we're going to be making coconut limeade.
Empanadas.
And churros.
So we're going to make churros first, and you're going to need 1 cup of water or agua, and you're going to need 1 cup of flour or harina.
We'll also be needing ½ tablespoon of salt, 2½ tablespoons of aceite vegetal, which is vegetable oil, and 2½ tablespoons of sugar.
And to coat the churros at the end, you'll need ½ a cup of sugar or azúcar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon or canela.
Okay, so first we're gonna pour 1 cup of water into the saucepan.
And salt and sugar.
And then oil. Then you want to wait till it gets to a boil. Now that it's boiling, take it off the heat.
And now you're going to add your flour.
Then stir until it turns into like a dough texture.
Now that the dough has cooled, scoop it into a piping bag with a star tip.
Now we're going to pipe the dough into the oil.
Once it's golden brown, scoop it onto a paper towel and dry.
While the churros are drying, mix the sugar and cinnamon.
Now you're going to carry them over to the cinnamon sugar and roll them. Now we're going to be making empanadas. What you're going to need is
Queso blanco.
And masa de empanadas.
now we will be cutting the cheese.
Okay, so now we'll place the cheese on top of the empanada dough.
So now that you have your cheese on here, you just want to fold it, close, and use a fork
To close the empanada so the cheese doesn't come out during the frying process.
Now that all the empanadas are ready, place the empanada in the oil. Once the empanada is golden brown, take it out and dry.
The last thing we will be making is coconut limeade.
Or limonada de coco.
What you're going to need is limes, sugar, cream of coconut, and crushed ice.
After cutting all the limes, we will squeeze it into a bowl.
Now you're going to use 2½ cups of ice and 6 squeezed limes. Now you're going to add 1 can of cream of coconut. It's so good.
Now after adding the 2 cups of cream of coconut, you add
2 teaspoons of sugar. Now that all your ingredients are in the blender, blend it.
Now after blending your drink, pour it into a cup.
Now let's eat. Now just pieces.
Look, Simone.
Lizzy! Lizzy! It was good! How do you say it? How do you say that? Limes.
Okay, so after making the empanadas and churros, Simone! The next thing we will be making after the churros and empanadas are
So say coconut lemon.
2 teaspoons of sugar. Now we're gonna blend our drink.
Simone.
You said you were gonna do it.
Okay,
Now that you